If I were to ask you, how close do you think we are to having personal robots as assistants? What would you say?
Three, two, one.
What's good? What's good? It's your boy Johnny D. I'm back here again just to teach you something new. Let's get into it. Now, I've just seen one of the most amazing videos of robotics I've ever seen. I'm going to play the video clip for you so you get to see it as well, and then we're going to discuss what this means for us today.
Hey, Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Great. So, based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great. Can you put them there?
Of course.
All right, so how do you think you did?
I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner, the trash is gone, and the tableware is right where it belongs.
I agree. Thanks, Figure 1.
You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
Now, what did we just watch? That was Figure AI's new humanoid robot. Myself, I was fascinated by the speed, the efficiency. Wow. Did you hear it say
It's the only edible item I could provide you with.
Ridiculous. Now, you're wondering, who is Figure AI, or what is that company? Well, they are a fairly new company. They're only 18 months old, but they have been making some cutting-edge humanoid robotics technology, and they have been advancing rapidly in the last few months. They even have some huge backers behind them, including the likes of BMW, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and everyone's favorite, OpenAI. And we all know that OpenAI has been working.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
Well, excuse me.
They have one of the best, if not the best, AI-powered language models in ChatGPT. They have this new program called Sora that basically allows you to create realistic, let me read it off to you. Realistic, imaginative scenes from text instructions. Now, I'm going to play some videos on the screen right now that's going to show you what Sora can do. But just imagine that you are able to create these videos basically by typing words on the screen. This is the future. And the future is looking kind of scary. If you guys want me to do a full video on Sora, just put Sora in the comment section below and I'll make one for you just to give you the full synopsis. But back to OpenAI and its partnership with Figure AI. Now, Figure AI and OpenAI working together in a partnership is not your run-of-the-mill collaboration. This is a groundbreaking next-generation AI model humanoid robot that is being created. Now, OpenAI will create the brains of this robot, while Figure AI will create the body of the robot. When this robot is put together, it is now able to work alongside humans, holding conversations, and the biggest thing, it can learn from its mistakes and make sure that the future iterations of the next robot don't make the same mistakes. I wonder if humans could learn a thing or two from the robot. Now, BMW has already wanted to make this vision a reality. So in Spartanburg, South Carolina, they are making it so that humanoid robots and humans will be working alongside each other. This is the first of many pilot programs that are happening around the country that we can finally start seeing what would it look like to have robots in the workplace. Now, this collaboration isn't just about shaking up the manufacturing space. It's more about the big questions too. Like, how do these humanoid robots affect the job market? Will there be allies or will they be our competition? It's a fine balance, and that's one that Figure AI and BMW are navigating as we speak. Now, yesterday, I was in the gym and I saw a gentleman walk past me with a Figure AI hoodie on. I stopped him and I asked how long he had been working there. He told me that it was actually his second day, and he had come over from a little company called Boston Dynamics. Yeah, you heard me. Boston Dynamics, the heavyweight champion of the robotics world. Now imagine the wealth of knowledge that this guy could bring to the table, especially considering he's now working for a company like Figure. Alright, let's talk about that bread, that cheddar, that guap, that moolah, them C-notes, them bills, them bones. You know what I'm talking about. Figure AI is basically now in the unicorn status. After raising over $675 million in the past 18 months, this company is blowing up faster than me after Chipotle. Ew. So with all this knowledge, the question has to be asked, where does that leave us? And I think we're on the brink of a revolution. With the humanoid robots like the ones from Figure AI, the possibilities are really endless. From manufacturing to healthcare, they pose to change the game in ways we could never even imagine. But like all good things, it's a journey. And as we venture into this brave new world, we're going to face challenges, no doubt. But with companies like Figure AI leading the charge, I say the future's looking pretty bright. So here's to the robots of tomorrow. May they be as helpful as they are human? Well, that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, consider subscribing to My Muscle TV. Our goal here is for you to learn something new every video. Just like you have to take your body to the gym to get the muscle stronger, coming to these videos is like going to the gym for your brain. And if you are subscribed, consider dropping us a like or put a comment down below. Do you believe that the humanoid robots are here to stay? Do you think that they're going to take your job? How do you feel about them? Let me know down in that comment section. Well, that's all for me, Donnie D, and as always, stay curious.
We designed them to be trusted with our homes, with our way of life, with our world. But did we design them to be trusted?